channel. My name is Kayla. If you aren't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe down below. I'm doing something kind of different today actually. I was supposed to vlog this weekend, but I ended up not doing as much stuff as I thought that I was going to be doing. So I was like, oh crap, well, I don't have a vlog now, so So today I'm actually going to be doing this planting video, which sounds really weird and kind of lame, but today I'm just going to be planting some plants that I have to be able to plant. And also I'm getting the subscription box for Christmas that is like a succulent, 2 succulents a month. It's called Succulent Studio. I'm super excited about that. I cannot wait. So I'm getting that for Christmas this year, and I was looking on ways on how to replant succulents. So if you guys didn't know, succulents have many different lives, I guess you could say. So you can take off the parts of the leaves of like your actual succulent and then create more succulents from that one succulent. So you can make like 7 different succulents from like one succulent, if that makes any sense at all. I feel like a makeup guru doing this, but I'm a plant guru. So this is what like the plant leaf looks like from the succulent, and that's what you plant. It's raining today, guys. I'm like out here kind of freezing low-key, but it's fine. We're just gonna deal with this. Okay, maybe that's a little bit better. I don't know. We'll see. I can kind of show you what I got today. It's honestly like a really random video. I honestly have no idea how this is gonna turn out, but we're gonna go with it. One thing I've learned from planting a lot in my room is that don't spend a full price on a pot. Like a pot that you can put in your room, a cute little pot. You can definitely find them cheaper at a consignment store, or like, if you know what I mean there, like a Goodwill or all of those. Today I went there and I spent like $5, I think, on all of these pots, which usually if you find a regular price pot, it's usually like $8. These are just honestly regular ones because I don't even know if you guys can really see this. I don't feel like getting up, so this is what you're gonna get. 97 cents for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different pots. And I got this though because when my succulents come from that company every month, I want to have something I can transfer them over into like the fake cup, if that makes sense. Like the plastic temporary cup into like a actual cup. Sure, I got those. And then I got this cute little snowman one. This is what it looks like. It has a little snowman on it, and then when it's not winter anymore, I can flip it and then it's just like this white little cup. So that's cool and everything. So that was $2. I got these 2 little cute ones. Now the fun thing about planting is that you can literally use anything to put a plant in. Like you can put a plant in a shoe, or a cup, or a, yeah. Today I found this little cute teacup and it says live, laugh, love. It's kind of cheesy, but honestly it was just really cute. This, super cute. This was 97 cents, so what a steal. Then I got this 97-cent little pot thing. I think this was actually a pot because there's still some dirt in it. So it's like a speckled one. Kind of looks like that. Don't know if it's in focus. Yeah, so that's the pots that I got today. Oh, and I also got this one last one, which is pretty cute. This, and this is like an actual like gardening pot that someone used, I think. $2. So this was a little bit more pricey, if you could say that. Today at Lowe's, then I just got all that stuff at Goodwill today, just like 5 minutes ago. Today I got a Hedera Helix, and it's from Europe. So it's a ivy florist. It's a type of ivy, I guess. I don't know, but it's an exotic angel plant, so that's good. We are planting this baby today. I got it from Lowe's. I went to Lowe's today. I usually get a lot of my plants at Lowe's, but today they were kind of sketchy and did not appreciate that when I walked in. They were all kind of dying, so this was the best baby I could find. And like all of them are so dry. Like all of their soil is a crisp, let me tell you. Like it's bad. I'm just gonna plant these plants and call it a day. First thing I'm gonna do actually is do, oh yeah, love my green socks. Like these are green, bright green socks. Love it. We're just falling in with the vibe today with the green and the green. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do, can you guys even see? I don't know. This is like soil I found in a different plant. Hopefully this works because it's not really supposed to be wet for when you are planting like the succulents from like your actual succulents, if that makes sense, or seedlings from the succulents. So this kind of has like a little bit of rooting in it, like different roots from different weeds and stuff like that. So honestly, I have no idea if this is gonna work. I've heard that honestly, you literally don't even have to water these like at all. So this is my jam. Sometimes I forget to water my plants and it's a big deal. But honestly guys, I've been getting better at watering my plants. Like once I got out of high school, I felt like I was definitely getting my life together more for some weird reason. Planting plants is kind of just my thing now to relax because I have a ton of stuff I have to do. Just sitting here and planting some baby plants is just how we roll with it now. But low-key, all the windows are open in my house, so my mom is probably like, what the heck is she talking about? But you literally just put them on. You don't even cover them. You just put them on. And some people make really cool designs. I really wish I could make designs, but honestly, I don't have that many succulents, and that's why I'm planting these, because I want more succulents. So I'm literally just putting them. Oh, and I forgot to mention, you have to have like one of these flat dishes to be able to plant these. If you don't, then I guess they'll die. Little dish thing. And I think I'm just gonna crack some more off of this plant. This is one of my succulent plants that I have in my room. I had this pot, seriously, I'm no joke, for probably about 8 years. So when I got into succulents then, I took out my aloe vera plant that was in this. The aloe vera plant got so big that it kept falling over in this little pot, so I put it in like a bigger pot. So now I have like these little succulents in them. So I think I'm gonna snag some of these babies off here and grow them. I'm not exactly sure which one. I kind of like hate doing this actually because it kind of scares me that I'm breaking the plant. I feel like it takes a really long time for succulents to grow. Oh good, my neighbor's outside. I'm not a huge succulent expert, so if you're trying to take tips from me, then you're definitely in the wrong place, and I would direct yourself to a different video because I have no idea what the heck I'm doing. But I'm just literally just putting, don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm putting their leaves in there and kind of just putting them in a circle. Online it said that you can put them in a circle if you like, but it's not necessary. I think a couple little tips were that it couldn't be dead at all. Like the leaf couldn't be dead. It had to be like full grown. This little succulent, don't know if you guys can tell, but it had a tail coming out of it, which is like the coolest thing. I really don't know if you guys can see it. Oh. It just broke. But it was dead anyways. I got this at a baby shower, and it's literally the cutest little succulent ever. So now I'm going to take off some of the bottom ones and plant these babies. I think it is so much fun to get plants at like a wedding or something for free, because succulents, oh, I just broke this one. Succulents can be very pricey, I feel like. It could just be me though because I'm super cheap. I hate spending full dollars on plants, because this one time I bought an aloe vera plant, the aloe vera plant that I was talking about. It was in the discount section of Lowe's, and oh my god, my battery's about to die. The aloe vera plant literally lasted me the entire, like, I still have it, and it's so big. It's probably like that big, and I got it in the discount section. So honestly, discount sections are my jam. I think I'm just gonna leave this here like this. If you guys can tell, it kind of just looks like a little mess right there. Plant this ivy plant. I'm expecting this one to get pretty big, but I don't know. I guess I could just put it in this big one, but I don't have like enough soil for that. Maybe I have to put it in this one. Alright, well anyways, so yeah, I always go to the discount section first, but Lowe's discount section right now is crap in where I live. It like had literally nothing on it, like it was so bad. So don't recommend it right now, but usually it's pretty good. If you find succulents that they're in the discount section and they're dying, but like some of their limbs, I guess you could say, are fine, then you can steal that baby and you can make like 10 good succulents. But I'm just like breaking up the soil right now. I'm gonna pot this plant. This is such dry soil, guys. This is good. But I guess I'll just talk about my life right now. Honestly, life is pretty jammin'. honestly, life is going pretty good right now, seriously. Like, I'm getting a lot of clients for my photography business, which is good. My first wedding the other day, which was awesome. I had a blast. Seriously, it was so much fun. I just finished editing the pictures. A couple days ago, I did a family photo shoot, which was so nice. The family I did it with was so nice. I babysit their kids, and they're just a really nice family. And I felt really bad because I was so tired because I came back from this all-nighter that I was at for youth group, because I'm a youth group leader, so I felt so bad, but I seriously was so tired. But I still got like good pictures. I don't know if I told you guys, but I am not going to college till the end of summer. I decided I'm going to actually take a gap year instead of a gap semester, which is nice because I'm doing so much. I'm not just like sitting around and everything. I'm like learning a lot and stuff, which is good, instead of just sitting around and chilling. So definitely have to go to school after that then, because I'm very determined to go to school and get a degree. It'll be very interesting when I go back because I really don't know how YouTube is going to work out with that, but we're going to find a way. Yeah, honestly, that's pretty much it. I'm just like finished potting my plants now, but my battery's about to die. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. It was probably really short and it was kind of just really random, but I was just planting plants and talking to you guys. So if you like these kind of things, I'll probably do a mukbang coming up here, if you guys know what that is. It's like just eating and talking and stuff like that, which is fun, and I'll probably talk a lot more in that about my personal life and what's going on right now. So definitely subscribe for that. That is coming soon.